Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to Brandfolder for brand asset management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Canva to Brandfolder for brand asset management, begin by logging into your Canva account. Next, navigate to the brand section in Canva's sidebar. In the brand section, look for the brand asset management option. Click on it to open the integration settings. Locate the Connect to Brandfolder button and click on it. You will be prompted to sign in to your Brandfolder account. Enter your Brandfolder credentials and click Login. Once signed in, you may be asked to grant Canva permission to access your Brandfolder. Review the permissions and click Accept. After granting permission, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that the connection. Now, head back to Canva's brand section. You should see your Brandfolder assets displayed. Explore your Brandfolder library to find your brand assets. You can easily drag and drop these assets directly into your Canva projects. To organize your assets in Canva, create folders as needed. This will help streamline your workflow and keep your designs cohesive. For future projects, you can seamlessly access your Brandfolder assets directly from Canva. Remember to regularly update your Brandfolder to keep your assets current. By following these steps, you can enhance your brand management efficiency. Now you're ready to create stunning designs using your brand's approved assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.